So if someone has actually lied to you that hashtags will make you go viral on YouTube or even on Facebook, in fact, that is not the whole truth. You see, yes, hashtags actually do help a lot, right? Hashtags will actually help you so that your videos will be popping up on search engines, all right? For example, when someone goes on Google and begins to search on the best time to actually post on Facebook to go viral, or the best time to actually post on YouTube to go viral. In fact, if you're able to use the hashtags so well, it is actually going to pop up your video in the search results, actually the beginning ones, maybe from the first page or the second page or maybe the third page. You understand, the more you keep on doing that, it will actually get your videos to a lot of people for you. All right, so that's exactly what the hashtag is actually going to do for you, and that's exactly what it does for people. All right, but it doesn't necessarily let you go viral. It doesn't necessarily let you get the more view that you need, but the only thing it does is what I've just explained. That is, it makes your videos or your content get into the search results. You understand? And so that is one thing that I want you to actually have in mind. All right, so now what will actually get you go viral or let people actually be watching your videos to get more views is the content in that your video. That's the content that you're actually giving out. Are you giving out value? Yes, the hashtag will actually help you so your video gets to a lot of people, but as soon as they click on the video to watch and then they begin to find out that what they actually want isn't in the video, or they are not actually getting what they want in the video, trust me, they are going to stop watching the video. And you see, one thing about YouTube is that when YouTube suggests your video or recommends your video to someone and the person declines that video, the person starts watching, and then within some few seconds the person stops watching that particular video, trust me, YouTube is going to trash your video. All right, if it persists and if it continues to actually happen in that way, YouTube is actually going to trash your video and will not be recommending your videos anymore. What happens is that we're going to lose a lot, and the disadvantage on that is that your subsequent videos are not going to be recommended by YouTube. And so what I recommend now is that, yes, you can continue to use the hashtag, but use them the right way. For example, the best time to upload videos on YouTube to go viral, fine, you bring the hashtag best time to upload videos on YouTube, hashtag best time to upload videos on YouTube to go viral. You can vary it, right? But after doing all this, please make sure that the video that you're putting out actually carries weight, it carries value. It's actually going to help the people who are going to watch, so that they'll be glued to the video, and as they continue to watch and watch and watch over and over and over and over, trust me, YouTube is actually going to find interest in that video. The system or the algorithm are actually going to get a signal that yes, this video is actually giving value to people, and so they will continue to actually recommend your videos, and that is where you're going to get more views and to go viral on YouTube or even on Facebook. All right, so thank you very much for your time. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. See you next time in the next video. God bless you and have a wonderful time.